Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Bethany, and if you're not, thanks for coming back. So today we are going to do one of the Raw Beauty Kristi PUR collaboration eye look. Her Simple Sunset. I actually watched her video, and I'm going to try to recreate it. I already did my eyebrows and my eyelids with my hydrating camo concealer by e.l.f. If you want to see what I do and how I create this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so it's using the colorful side of the palette. So let's get started. I am orange, using a fluffy brush, which I have here. This is the Lavish tapered brush, and I am orange because in all her videos she says, "Am I orange?" So let's put this in the crease like she did. And again, she said that these are pressed pigments, so you're going to get lots of kickback or kick up in the pan and fallout and such. So it's to be expected. If you don't like that, I guess you can't work with this palette. It doesn't bother me, but this orange color is coming off kind of corally and it looks very orange. So that's why I always prime my eyelids with concealer to give it a nice base. Personally, I don't know what it does for me, but all right. So the pigment is there, which I think is important. So if you go in really light, it comes out really light, which is awesome. And she said you don't have to be a MUA to do this look. So that I'm not, and we're gonna try. And then she added a little bit of Flavor Town, which is the red color inspired by Flavor Town, with Guy Fieri. So I'm just going to, I'm scared of this red. Super scared. I don't even like the color red, but it definitely deepened it up. So I'm just putting a little bit. And a smaller fluffy brush, which this is pretty small. Told You, which is on the other side. So Told You is right here, this light brown, tiny into the whole crease. Okay. Told You is what she said to her husband and what he says to her, I guess, a lot. So that's what she said to him when she found out she was pregnant. I mean, these colors, like, they come off, man. They look so awesome. Okay, so Dandelion is the next one, which is this bright yellow. Tribute, and Hurtful on the outer inner. Okay, so you need a flat packer brush. What do you guys think? We're gonna put Cafe Disco, which is the nice shimmer shade, right in the middle. Small brush and go into Am I Orange and Dandelion, and we're gonna put it on the bottom lash line. Okay guys, so this is the final look for the Raw Beauty Kristi, her sunset eye look. I probably went a little dramatic, but let me know what you guys think down below in the comments of the palette, the look. I like it because I feel like she uses a lot of colors in the palette, so it's very versatile. All right guys, so that is it. Have a great day and stay safe.